Hi, my name is Emma, and last night I had really fun making this, and I'm going to show you how to make it. And I'm going to make one for my brother. Sometimes I bring tape to make these because it's a lot easier doing that. So first, you're going to take the long piece of rope and fold it in half, basically, and then you're going to take your clip and put it through the first side, and then and put it through the first side and go out. Then you're gonna, when it's this loop, you're gonna take the other string and put it through, and then you're gonna pull both of them very tightly. And the clips have to be face down so you don't mess up. Then you're gonna take the other side of the clip and go to the other side of your piece of rope and put it through the sides and out to here. And make sure the string is straight so you can easily just go through. And here's where you measure it. So you can use a ruler or a measuring tape, but I know the size of my brother's hand. That's kind of weird, but his hands are pretty big, so I'm gonna make the string pretty long from right there. So now you're gonna take the top and put it right here, and the two extra strings you're gonna put like this. Then you're gonna take this and go over it like this. And you're going to tape down both sides. Here's where it gets tricky. You're going to put the right cord over the cords in the middle. You're going to take your right cord and put it over top of your left cord, making a loop right here. Then your right cord is going to go under the same left cord here and under the two cords here and up through that loop. Okay. And when you have that, you're going to put your little cord and put it through here like this and out. Then you're gonna take these two strings and pull as tight as you can. And then you're gonna do this side now, where it's gonna go over these two, but not over this. Then your right always goes over the left, under the loop, and under all of them. Take it like this and make a knot. Then you're going to do it this way, but this way you're going to put this ring over all of them. And then you're going to take your string, put it through here, and put it through both of these and up through the loop. Then you repeat that process. when you end it, you're gonna do 2 normal knots. Just like that. Then cut it, all your extra pieces off. Make sure not to cut the knot, because if you cut the knot, then it's just gonna come undone. Okay, and after you're done, just take off the tape. And you're done. I like doing this because it's really fun, and if you have extra time after like school and you're just bored and you have nothing to do and you have these, it's just fun to make. Also, what I recommend is this set comes with glue. So if you take the glue out, you can take super glue or whatever. Done, it's gonna be kind of like flimsy and stuff. That's where you get your glue, and make sure all the ends on it are put with glue so all the white stuff inside of it doesn't go everywhere when you're like playing. And I'm actually making this for my brother because he is going into the army. So I made one for myself that's blue and black, and his is black and blue. Take the charm that you want and take pliers. I'm using scissors because it's easy for me to do with scissors. You open it up and put the charm where you want to. When the charm is in there, you're gonna just put it back by squeezing it very tightly, and then you're done. And then also remember to pick it up because your parents don't want to mess up the floor.